A cardboard box is 4 centimetres tall, x centimetres wide, and it's 5 centimetres longer than it is wide. If its volume is 96 centimetres cubed, we need to find its surface area, assuming that the lid is shut. So I'm just going to draw a little sketch here so I can picture what's going on, because it's quite difficult to visualise when it's written in that sentence. So here is my cardboard box, just a rough sketch. We were told that it's 4 centimetres tall and x centimetres wide, and we were told that it's 5 centimetres longer than it is wide. Well, it's x wide, I know that, so 5 centimetres longer than x is x plus 5. And its volume is 96. So I know I can work out the volume by multiplying each of these lengths together. So it's going to be 4 times x plus 5. So 4x times x is 4x squared. The 4x times the 5 is 20x. And we know that's equal to 96. We were told the volume was 96. Right, this is a quadratic equation, so I'm going to subtract the 96 from both sides to make this a bit easier to solve. And I'm going to do another step. I'm actually going to divide each term here by 4, just to make the numbers a bit easier for me to deal with, so that I can factorise. So I've just done the 4x squared divided by 4, the 20x divided by 4, and the minus 96 divided by 4. So I need two numbers that multiply to make the minus 24, and they're going to add up to make the 5, which is going to be a positive 8 and a minus 3, I think, because the 8 times the minus 3 is minus 24, and the 8 plus the minus 3 is 5. So we get two solutions to this quadratic equation. Either x is minus 8 or x is 3. But in the context of this question, the minus 8 doesn't make much sense. You can't have a minus 8 width there. So we're going to ignore the minus 8 solution and focus on the 3 solution. So we know that this side here is 3 now. And this side is 3 plus 5, or 8. And we can now work out the surface area of this cuboid, or this box with the lid being shut. Because the area of the face on the front there is 4 times 3, which is 12. The area of the side here will be 8 times 4, which is 32. The area of the top is going to be 3 times 8, which is 24. And then just remember, we also need to include the bottom, the back, and the far side as well. So if I just add the 12, the 24, and the 32, and then I'm going to double that for the bottom, the back, and the far side, we get 136 centimetres squared. And there we go.